car. It's 28 years old. Gets me where I'm going and brings me back home. It's a crooked path that I'm on. I got me one of those trees and a crucifix hanging on a mirror. Now it finds all the bumps, misses only a few. The lights, well, they're not so bright, but I only use them at night. It's a crooked path that I'm on. I got one of those trees and a crucifix hanging on a mirror. In the mirror, I see what's behind where I've already been. This crooked road takes me where I'm going. I got one of those trees and a crucifix hanging on a mirror. Dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree. Hey, that's fine with me. I like Christmas. It's a crooked path that I'm on. I got one of those trees and a crucifix hanging on a mirror.